Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to punch in and out using the selfie capturing and geolocation features in the OrangeHRM Mobile App. First, log in to your OrangeHRM Mobile application. On the dashboard, you'll see your last punch-out date and time. You can punch in and out while capturing your selfie and location for accurate attendance tracking. Once this option is enabled in the mobile application, the punch in-out feature in the web application will be disabled. This means you'll need to perform all punch in-out actions through the mobile app as follows. Click on the punch in button located in your dashboard, tap in to capture your selfie. Make sure your device has camera and location permissions enabled. Based on the access given by your HR admin, you may or may not be able to edit the date and time before punching in. You can see that your location has been tracked. Once ready, click on the punch in button. You'll then get a confirmation showing your punch in time, date, and location. You can also perform punch in or punch out by navigating to the attendance module from the side panel, click on the drop-down, and select punch in or out. Tap out to capture your selfie. You can see that your location has been tracked. Confirm the location. Once ready, click on the punch out button. You'll then get a confirmation showing your punch out time, date, and location. Once you've punched out, your punch in and out times, location, and total work duration will be displayed right on the dashboard. This way, you always have a quick snapshot of your attendance status without needing to navigate further. From the side panel, go to My Attendance, and then select Attendance Details. In the Attendance Details section, you can see a weekly view. Select the date you want to review. Once you click on that date, you can view the punch-in and punch-out time along with the location and the total work duration. And that's how you can punch in and out using the Selfie Capturing and Geolocation feature in OrangeHRM. These features not only ensure accuracy, but also enhance transparency and security in attendance tracking. To enable this feature, please contact your OrangeHRM implementation consultant. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at goldsupport@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.